Hello everyone, welcome you all in our YouTube channel Learning Radiology. In start our today's topic, today we will study or discuss on topic latent image formation. In this topic, we learn about what is latent image and what is the methods to formation of latent image. There are different types of methods to formation of a latent image. So we start. And what is a latent image? Means latent image is an invisible image. Latent image is an invisible image which are produced by exposure to light of photosensitive materials such as photographic film or a radiographic film. Latent image form on a photographic film or a radiographic film where we expose from a X-ray or a light. The radiographic film is developed the area that was exposed darkness and form a visible image. When the beam of photon interact with object, the photosensitive layer, the photosensitive silver halide crystals in the film emulsion interact with these chemically altered crystals that are said to be consecutive the latent image. These chemical changes in the crystal increase the liability of crystal to chemical action of the developing process that convert the latent image visual image. Formulation of a latent image. In this latent image formation, film emulsion is made up of silver bromide crystals and silver iodide crystals that is participated in a gelatin and are layered on a thin sheet of transparent base. The silver halide crystals are chemically sensitized by the presence of sulfur compounds which cause physical irregularities in the crystal produced by iodide ions, and these are called latent image sites. Function of latent image are Function of latent image site is to begin the process of image formation by trapping the electrons generated when emulsion is irradiated. When the silver halide crystals are irradiated, the electron releases change bromide ion into bromine atom. This will produce kinetic energy with which it moves in the crystal strikes the image site, imparting a negative charge to that region. Free positively charged interstitial silver ions are attached to the negative latent image site and neutralize the image site. With the result, an atom of metallic silver is deposited at the site. After the exposure film to radiation, the aggregated of silver atoms at the latent image sites compromises the latent image. If the metallic silver at each latent image site that catalyze the development of the halide crystal in which it formed and rendered the crystal sensitive to development and image formation. The mechanism, like first one is effect of exposure. In effect of exposure, we have two types, like photoelectric and Compton effect. Second methods are nucleation process. In nucleation process, we have two processes like Gardner theory and missile theory, and third one is a growth process. In effect of exposure are like when photon interact through the photoelectric and Compton interaction usually occur at the bromine ion since they are located at the surface of the crystal. Here in image, bromine are situated at the surface of the crystal and photon are trying to interact with bromine ion. Effect next one is both interaction releases high energy electron. When they interact with a bromine ion, they release high energy electron. Bromine ion becomes neutral and they migrate out of the crystal into the gelatin. The process disrupted the crystal lattice formation. Ions in the crystal are now free to migrate and moves around. Bromine migrate out of the crystal leaving the silver ion. free electron and electron trap in the crystal. Images show these are the unexposed crystal and these is the exposed crystals. In nucleation process, first theory is a Gurney-Mott theory. In Gurney-Mott theory, an electron that has been released by exposure is captured by a trapping center and temporarily localized. A mobile positively charged silver ion may migrate to this center and form a silver atom when combined with electron. Unfortunately, a single silver atom in unstable separation occur and stage 1 and 2 happen again. Fortunately, during its short life, the single silver atom can act as a trap for another electron, and if another silver ion is attracted to this site, a stable atom speck is formed and also called as a latent sub-image center. In metal theory, a free silver ion comes near a shallow electron and trap and depends it, and a free electrons released by exposure and a silver ion approaches the trap together and immediately form a silver atom, and this is a pre-image center. Unfortunately, as in the Gurney-Mott theory, a single silver atom is unstable and it dissociates into a silver ion and an electron. Fortunately, a single silver atom requires a second silver ion and a free electron arrives before the escape of this silver second ion, and a stable atom speck is formed and is called latent sub-image center. In growth process is the enlargement of sub-image center until it becomes development center at least 10 silver atoms. These are the references of these slides. Okay, like the videos and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.